Good afternoon, folks. How's it going? Yeah, long time to see for a few days. How have y'all been? Man, just out busting ass, getting filthy like normal. So, figured come on here bullshit and let y'all know what the fuck I'm doing around here. Fuck yeah! So, right now I'm just trying to clean my hands off here a little bit from my grease. I got fucking things been giving me a nice little fight, which is fine. So, how y'all been since the last time I was on here? Yeah, y'all know I'm more of a Diet Pepsi kind of guy, but decided to get a bottle of Mountain Dew Baja. So, motherfucker, I'm almost out of snuff here. God damn it. Oh my god, you put smokeless tobacco in your mouth with greasy fucking hands? Bitch, I met some of you women. Some of you are more fucking disgusting than us guys. So don't give me that shit. So, what I'm doing tonight is I just got the rearend ball joint out. That was a bitch and a half to fucking do. So I cut half of our tie rod out. Well, right, yeah, outer and inner tie rods. Right now I'm just working on getting the inner tie rod out after I get rest of this rubber shit off, the rubber boot, cause that shit was ripped. So, oh, come on. Don't tell me this fucking thing has a goddamn clip on it. Oh, you whore, there is a clip. God damn it. Oh, send this bitch to the fucking moon right now, I guess. Alright, so what I have here is inner tie rod wrench. So what I'm doing is, if you ever come across working on a Dakota from 97 to 04 and same from was in 98 to 03 before Durango changed to a body style on 04, where it's a bigger body style. The inner tie rod, the wrench I'm using is this. Yeah, that's why it's called an inner tie rod wrench. And what you do is take this little piece that goes around this back nut for the, yeah, I said nut, don't fucking judge me. And that goes in like that. And for the inner tie rods, it's a 38.4 for the rack and pinion. So, oh, come on, you fucking crack whore. Just, you fucking, anyway, goes in like that, slide it over, like so. Oh, you fucking crack whore of a demon. Yeah, you're gonna hear me fucking cuss up a storm here. You shan't kiss. Well, I'm gonna do what I want when I want. Oh, there. You fucking crackhead. Really? Fucking whore. Yeah, basically. Really? You're gonna say here, be a filthy little fucking crackhead. Oh, you freaking shit ass fucking thing. Okay. Stay on there. Alright, so, and alright, there. Oh no. I knew one of your little bastards were gonna fucking break on me. Oh, please feel through. No, you fucking crackhead. Yeah, you'll find out real quick with me. I call my shit either a crackhead or some shit. You know? All because I can. There. And watch, I get a fucking copyright for having some, a little bit of music on. Okay. Really? You fucking filthy old whore. So I figure, well, I don't know progress on this thing that I got a steering knuckle off, the CV axle, upper ball joint, wheel bearing, half of the inner and outer tie rods, which I still have to put that in a vise and count how many threads I have to go by. Because after everything's said and done, I have to go in and take this as a front end alignment with everything on front end here. So I wonder how long that's gonna last me, you know. Alright, let's try this again. You fucking whore. Alright. If you want to be this way, fine, whatever. One way or another, you little assholes coming out. Guys, when you do this, never fucking walk off. Well, if you get pissed enough at